Here are 3 high probability trades for this week that you can copy. First up, we have the Euro Australian. We have some really nice left side traffic here that could see a correction, and this is providing 3 really nice potential take profits. So now all I'm looking for is a retest of this previous structure. The H4 EMAs have just flipped into a bearish trend, and this pullback, if we get the retest, it would lead into the Fibonacci 50% to the 61.8 level, and from there I would expect us to head down into our first take profit level. And of course we do have the EdgeFinder giving this a very bearish reading, which is very supportive for this trade. Next up, we have gold. Now we've seen the H4 come down to the 200 moving average and reject almost perfectly, which is leading a lot of retail traders into long positions. However, if we just take a look at the left side over here, we have this gap that remains open from all the way back in January 2026. So I would expect the market to continue lower, fill this gap, and then we might see some buyers stepping in. So I'm looking to go down onto lower timeframes and just continue to ride this trend that we're seeing with these lower highs and lower lows that are continuing to get formed following the short-term trend. Now the EdgeFinder isn't giving gold a bullish reading, which is actually a good signal for us to continue slightly lower. Because the EdgeFinder has been giving gold such a bullish reading over such a long period of time, now that it's finally not, that's quite a big telltale sign. And next up we have the Australian dollar Swiss, which is getting a bullish reading on the EdgeFinder, and we're in this very, very nice uptrend. The only slight problem is it's very choppy, so getting a good technical entry is going to be quite difficult. So rather than being overly precise, I think the best idea is just to follow the trend with a relatively wide stop at the previous low, allowing the market some room, allowing this 200 moving average to come into play, and allowing room for some continued upside.